Hello researcher friend, I am Dr. Gobinda Roy. Welcome to my digital platform Barefoot Researcher. If a student planning to take your PhD journey by registering a PhD program, academic career, or maybe you are in industry, you try to take a serious look. No more in industry, take a break, join PhD program, and then start your academic career. Trust me, you are not alone. Actually, I was in your shoe once. On this platform, Barefoot Researcher, we are going to discuss several important topics for you. How to select the particular PhD program or institute based on your interest. How to select your research supervisor, prospective research supervisor based on the mutual interest. And how to select the research topic. And nowadays, research becomes very important. To how to write your first paper, even starting from the scratch. And finally, to prosper in this academic industry, academic domain, you need to have a solid publishing strategy. After decades of experience in IT and telecom industry, I have shifted from industry to academia by completing my PhD from VGSOM IIT Kharagpur. Post PhD 6 years, I was going through various ups and downs, but finally I was able to publish several papers in ABTC Star Journal. So I got certain insight. So if you want certain insight, actions, strategy, tips, so why are you waiting for? You can just hit the follow button. We'll sail together the research challenges step by steps. Thanks you for watching me. Let's join in. Thank you.